One thing good web agencies like to do is capture testimonials for their clients. And sometimes their clients don't know about testimonials, or they don't watch them that often, or it's sometimes hard to find them. So I'm going to show you an example here of how to get testimonials for a client. I'm working with a company called Peterson Plumbing Supply out of Salt Lake City. I type in their name in Google. I can see their website. Their website doesn't have any testimonials on it, but they have a Google business profile and they have reviews. So I click on this and I can see, oh, they got a 4-star, a 1-star, a 2-star, 3-star. What the ones I'm looking for are obviously the 5-star ones. And then I also like to look for ones that have an image. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to copy the text. I can just save that in a doc somewhere. And then I also like to get the image. So I'm going to click on this account. And then I'm going to right click on the image and save image as. That'll save the image to my computer. And I can use that image on the website. So getting good testimonials is pretty easy if they have a Google business profile and they have reviews. Again, what I like to look for are obviously the ones that are 5 stars, but the ones that have icons. Like this one would be great. It's also great if they have a star. That means they've given a lot of reviews, which can be really helpful. If this is helpful, you might also want to watch this next video where I talk about what to do when you get bad reviews on your Google business profile. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.